Hello friends, welcome to my channel Techie Break. In this video, we are designing a quiz with match the following question. So first, I will show how to import questions from other Google form such as students detail to avoid repetitions. Then I will show how to use this multiple choice grid option in Google form. After that, I will show how to send the quiz to the students with sample questions. So let's begin. Login into your Google Drive. Then select new option. Then select Google Forms. An empty form will appear on the screen. Say example, I am going to create a general knowledge quiz. So my quiz title would be general knowledge quiz. You can name this form by tapping this untitled form field. Hit the settings option in quiz tab. Make this quiz enable so that we can grade the quiz and set the answer keys. Save the settings. In every quiz, some questions like students' details are always required. So create a separate form with students' detail and import it for all the quizzes that you design. This will avoid repetition. To import a quiz, click on the Import Question button, then select the quiz form that you want to import. Now, choose the questions that you needed in your current quiz. In selecting all the questions, then click on Import Questions. Now, the quiz contains the student details. This is really time saving. By clicking this Add Section button, I am creating a new section for the quiz. We can delete this unwanted question by clicking the Delete button. Now my new section title is GK questions. In this section, I am going to have the actual GK questions. So we can add questions in this section by clicking the Add Question button. Once we click the Add Question button, a new question will appear here. We have to type the question in this field. So my question is match the countries with its capital. For match the following questions, we have to choose multiple choice grid option. So in this question type, we are having rows and columns. So in the rows, I am going to type the countries, and in the columns, I am going to type the capitals of the countries. It's better to type the lengthy questions in the row side and the shorter questions in the column side. The row contains the country name and the column contains the capital. Now let's set the answer key. Mark some points. Also mark the correct answers for each questions and then save it. To avoid students skipping the questions, enable this Require a Response field mandatory. Now we have to do two important settings. First one is limit to one response per column. This will allow the student to give only one answer per column. The second one is shuffle the order. Since we have entered the countries and the capitals parallelly, it need to be shuffled for the quiz. Let's preview the quiz now. The section 1 contains the student detail, that are imported from the student detail form. The next section is having the actual GK quiz. Look, the rows got shuffled here. The student can enter only one answer per column. After submitting the quiz, the student can view their score. He got 5 out of 5. The quiz has auto-validated by the system. Now let's see how to send the quiz to the student. Click on the send button. So there are two options to send. First one is email. If you are sending the quiz through email, you have to give the students' mail IDs who are all going to attend the quiz. You can always separate the email IDs by comma. Also, you can change the system message. You can include the from address, it's optional. Then you can send the quiz by clicking the send button to the student. The second option is through link. Copy the link and you can send the link to the students through social media such as WhatsApp. Friends, hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye bye.